All right, what I want to talk about is blue and pink imbalances. Light blue, buy imbalance. And we know pink is a sell imbalance. Let me just go back. What do we know at this point? Do we know if it's rallied or broke? Yes. The answer would be we rallied a little bit from here to here. Not a lot, but the market's moved and essentially moved to the upside. And you see it continue. What else do we now see? For the first time in this move, we get a buy imbalance, which in real time is showing an extreme buyers versus sellers. In this case, a lot more buyers than sellers, just in this area of people who want to buy versus people who want to sell. But here's what's unique. Number one, what do we know? Do we rally, break sideways when this triangle comes in? Again, we rallied. We've been rallying a little bit. It's not a huge move, but it's certainly a decent move to the upside from, what was it, like 91 to 99. All right. Then he comes in, or then they come in. If you're going to be, if you're already long, this is a moment to objectively say, I want to cover below where this buy imbalance came in if price gets below it. If you want to buy it, you know the risk is the market might be stretched, but that doesn't necessarily mean you shouldn't get long. But at least you know where you could be wrong at objectively. Because it's no coincidence if I fast forward this a little bit, as soon as we get below it, boom, right here, they send it lower quicker. Now we come in and look at this one. This one, we know what? Market's sold off. If you're trying to pick a bottom, or if you're short, and you're looking to cover for a profit, you could objectively say, if it gets back, I mean, again, if you're short and you wait for this buy imbalance and you cover, you don't feel too bad because it did run back up. Again, if you're short, if you're using this to enter along and you get long, let's say in here, you know where you're wrong from. You get a head start and the market does run up for you. Now, look, this one comes in 666, which is a big buy imbalance. What do you know at this point? Did we rally, break sideways? We rallied with a long up bar right into it. If you don't look at this as risk, as far as buying it to get long, then we got to get a CT ordered for you and check out that brain, because it's like putting a ladder on top of a picnic table to pick an apple. It's risky. That's all. So as soon as it then runs away from it and you show yourself like it can't even rally, it can't even pop. You're not holding on to this long if you're unfortunately long from there. If you're long from below, boom, you can get out here instead of way down here. But let's just look at this in real time. How quickly, boom, buy imbalance. Price not afraid of it. It fills those buyers. They're no longer nervous, and price just robs the person trying to rob it. That's the metaphor I use. How does price react to someone jumping out saying boo? Buyers jumped out and said boo. They slapped the SHIT out of him and robbed the robber. So moving right along. We didn't get a ton of triangles in this particular session, which was interesting. And so we move into this moment of really interesting, or I should say pretty valuable triangles that above it right here. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, guess what? This could qualify as short. And it also could show you get the SHI, get out if it starts getting above these three. If you're short from above, or if you're bullish and you want to get long and play a breakout, sell imbalance, sell imbalance, sell imbalance. And then the rabbit pops its head up to see if there's any predators. Seen a predator here, came off. Seen a predator here, came off. Seen a predator here, came off. Ran away, ran away. doesn't see it, sticks its head up, doesn't see a predator, bam, it runs. So you have to start visualizing this, a sell ban of where the market in real time is showing you a lot more sellers that want to sell it versus a lot of buyers who want to buy it, or versus buyers who want to buy it. That imbalance shows a big down triangle. And you got to now understand you're reading order flow in real time without having to make the sense out of a bunch of numbers on a dome or a bunch of numbers on a footprint.